Tan.
Good morning everyone, my name is Samari. Now I would like to tell you a small story. This is the crow. There was a small crow in a village. His name was Sam. One day he was flying in the sky. It was a hot day. Sam felt very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. At last he saw a water pot with a little water in it. Sam thought of a plan. He collected a few pebbles and put them into the water pot one by one. Then water came up. Sam drank the water and flew happily. Moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you.
തിരിഞ്ഞങ്ങോട്ട് ബാക്കി ഓക്കെ
ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം ബാഗിനെ കാണിച്ചു തരുമോ?
ചാടിക്കോ.
അമ്മച്ചി